Winning poker combinations from lowest to highest. High card. If no other hand is made, it's the highest card in your hand. In poker, the cards are ranked from low to high: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and the high card is the ace. In a tie, the next highest card, the kicker, decides the winner. One pair. 2 cards of the same rank. The highest pair wins. If there's a tie, the highest kicker wins. 2 pair. In a tie, the highest pair wins. If still tied, the second highest pair or kicker decide. 3 of a kind. 3 cards of the same rank. Straight. 5 consecutive cards of different suits. An ace can be the high or the low here. Flush. Any 5 cards of the same suit, not in sequence. In a tie, the highest card in the flush wins. Full house. 3 of a kind with a pair. In a tie, the highest 3 of a kind wins. If still tied, the pair wins. 4 of a kind. All 4 cards of the same value. Straight flush. 5 consecutive cards of the same suit. In a tie, the highest straight flush wins. Royal flush. Ace, king, queen, jack, and 10, all of the same suit. The highest possible hand in poker. Please comment, like, and subscribe to Playing Games.